Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your assets from Robinhood to the Phantom wallet for better security and control. Today, we're breaking it all down step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates from the platforms since things can change quickly in the crypto space. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with crypto holdings and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other blockchains, so it's perfect for this transfer. Start by opening your Robinhood app and logging in. Navigate to your crypto portfolio, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like SOL or ETH, and tap on it to view details. Next, switch over to your Phantom wallet. Open the app, go to the Receive section, and generate a wallet address for the specific crypto you're transferring. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to success here. Remember, one wrong character could send your funds into the void, so double check. Now, back in Robinhood, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option on the crypto's detail page. Paste the Phantom wallet address into the field provided, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Robinhood might charge a small fee, and network fees could apply based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once you're ready, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure everything looks good before proceeding. The transfer time can vary. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your Phantom wallet for the incoming funds. A quick tip: always use this method for your own wallets and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check Robinhood's Help Center or Phantom's support. That's it for today's guide. You've now got the skills to transfer your crypto safely. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.